Hello students, let us continue the poem No Men Are Foreign. Yes, let us read the third stanza. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be won by love. In every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. Here, the poet says that people living in different parts of the earth do have eyes like ours. The eyes that help us to wake up in the morning and sleep at night. And by love in every land is common life. In each and every part of the world, they lead a common life. Wherever we go, people live the common life wherever we go. And in every land is common life, and or sleep, the second line, or sleep and strength that can be won by love. They have the ability to love. And people can win the heart of others by love. That all can recognize and understand. They all have the ability to love and win the heart of others by love and bring oneness among people. We can see people living a common life wherever we go. Therefore, the poet also says here that we should develop a sense of equality and oneness among ourselves. Now, the last stanza. Let us remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispossess, betray, condemn. Yes, according to the poet, we should remember that whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that. Now, the poet means here is there is the same soul that exists in all human beings. When we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we hate, betray, and condemn each other in the same way. Remember, we who take arms against each other, it is the human earth that we defile. If we fight or war against each other, it affects the earth itself and the air from where we breathe in fresh air gets polluted and hatredness between brothers increases. It is the human earth that we defile, that we pollute. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our born. Remember, no men are foreign and no country is strange. Here, the poet says here, our hells of fire. Here, it's a reference here to soldiers, war and its evil effects. Evil effects. The poet explains the evil effects of war. People living in different parts of the earth have isolated themselves on the basis of color, race, language and country. They wage wars against each other and it affects only the earth and the air gets polluted. Though they are all human beings, they wage war against one another in the name of race, religion and other factors. Here the poet says that each country wants to establish supremacy over the others. So these are the ill effects of war. So other effects of war are, there are lakhs of people are killed. They become homeless. Fertile lands are destroyed and thus war brings a lot of misery to the people. Therefore, the poet wants to give the message that we should develop a sense of equality and oneness and brotherhood among ourselves. Poet also conveys a deep message of universal brotherhood because we are all alike. Wherever we are born, we are all alike and are the sons of the same God. That is, we are all the creations of the same God. And this is the end of the poem. I hope you all understood. Let us end up the class here. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.